Welcome to Module 301 Job Search Strategies. This is the first video of the course. This course is going to help you find a job and, more importantly, help you find a job that will be rewarding and meaningful for you. We'll start off by taking a look at what we call employability skills, the things that are really appreciated by employers, and particularly in human services and educational work. We'll take a look at the best places for you to seek jobs. We'll look at the best format for your resume and cover letter and what they are meant to accomplish. And we'll also look at the best ways for you to get the most of your interview, both in terms of your appearance and the way you actually respond to questions. To pass this module, you'll need to submit an error-free cover letter and an error-free resume, and you must use the format that's taught in the class. There are 2 videos already posted, and there is a sample document posted for each of the cover letter and the resume, and you will have to go through them and make sure that you personalize them to yourself. When we ask for an error-free document, we really do mean 0 spelling errors, grammatical errors, or formatting inconsistencies. Even something as simple as the spacing on your document will be looked at. And the reason for this is that you really do not have any other way besides these 2 documents to make your best first impression on an employer. And if there's ever been a document in your life that should be perfect, it's this one. So we really will be shooting to have 0 errors. You'll also need to participate in all aspects of the module. Normally when we do this in class, we have a fashion show where everybody participates, but we'll be breaking that into small groups. And on the same day, we'll be doing a mock interview. So on the date of your mock interview, you'll be expected to dress exactly the way you would for a job interview, and you'll be giving and receiving feedback to classmates and from myself. Please dress without spending a lot of extra money. Don't go out and invest in things. We know you're starving students at this point, so it's important to use what you have or perhaps borrow from other people. Thrift stores may be an option as well, but really at this point, this is a dry run or dress rehearsal, and it's a great idea to come and find out if something works in this safe environment. You'll also be expected to complete all journal entries on the course blog page, meaning our website for work experience, our page on the website. And you must do this by the times and dates that are given. There are 2 different ways you'll be asked to do these entries. Within these videos, there are multiple times you'll be asked to go off and do a journal entry. They'll be very, very clear. And many videos will end with a requirement for a blog entry, and then the next video will begin by looking at what you might have said. We'll also have a number of speakers participating from various employers, and each of them will be asking you a question, and that will be another opportunity to do a blog entry. Let's get started with a blog. I'd like you to begin by making an entry that answers these questions. What are the qualities and assets, what are the qualities and assets that employers will want from applicants? Which of these do you think you possess? And which do you think you need to work on? Who might be references for you down the line? And what might they say about your strengths and your areas to improve? So pause and make sure you've got those questions clear. And please answer all 3 of them on the blog. When you're ready, move on to the next video, video number 2.